Hello, my name is Mr. RetroActive, and I have a question for you. What are some of your favorite local places to go to? Well, here on this show, known as Retro on the Go, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best places in all of the Inland Empire. From great parks, to amazing scenery, to great restaurants and gaming locations, all across the Inland Empire. And if you become a Patreon supporter, you can help us start exploring the rest of the state of Washington, and eventually, maybe the rest of the Pacific Northwest. And if we become big enough, we might even start exploring places in your hometowns to see if we can bring awareness to these amazing local businesses all across this country. So please join us as we get ready for one hell of an adventure. So until then, I hope to see you all in this awesome episode of Retro on the Go. Have a great day, everyone!